Number 39 asks the question, how tall is this tree? How tall is the tree? And round your answer to 1 decimal place. Well, class, I've got a triangle here, and I'm going to have to make the assumption that this tree is growing straight up and down. So if I put a line right through that tree, you can see, that's not a very pretty line, but it'll do for this video. If I put a line, I'll try to duplicate that, a line that is straight through that tree, you can see that I'm creating a right triangle. So we have a right triangle with a known angle and a known side length. That should tip you off that we are using trig. And the first thing we do when we're using trig is write SOHCAHTOA. That's step number 1. Step number 2, pick a reference angle. Well, they didn't label the vertices of this triangle. Let's just label them. I'm going to label this one as B, label this one as C, and label the right angle as D. Notice, class, in this case, I avoided the letter A for a vertex because I'm going to label my sides of my triangles now. That'll make it a little less confusing. So we have to pick our reference angle, and clearly our reference angle is going to be B because that's the angle we know. So our reference angle is going to be angle B. Next thing we'll look at is, let's label our side names. So BC is the hypotenuse, CD is opposite of angle B, and BD is adjacent to angle B. Okay, so now we got to pick our trig function. How we do that is, remember, which side do I want to know? Actually, we'll ask this first. Which side do I know? And that appears to be the adjacent side, 73. So our known side is adjacent. Let's underline A in Ka and A in Toa. Okay, and then let's ask the question, which side do we want to find? In this case, it is the height of the tree, or the value of h. That is opposite of angle B, so that's O. Let's underline O in So and O in Toa. You can see now that the trig function we are going to use to solve this is tangent. We can now write our equation. Tangent of reference angle 51 is equal to, now tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is our unknown side h, and adjacent is our known side 73. We're going to have to get h by itself. In this case, our unknown side is our numerator, so we're going to multiply this side by 73. That's going to cancel our denominator. That means we have to multiply this side also by 73. So we end up with 73 times tangent of 51 degrees is equal to our unknown side h. Plug that into your calculator and you will find that the value of h is equal to approximately 90.147. And take a look at our unit of measure. 73 is measured in feet. That means our height of our tree is also going to be measured in feet. So our answer for the height of our tree is about 90.147 feet.